guys, so we're in downtown Ashland today, and we got snow on Saturday night and Sunday morning, and it is currently January 28th, a Wednesday, 2026, 4:31 p.m., and we got two trains coming. We got 95, a Northeast Regional. It's gonna blow through here, and we got 53, the Auto train, coming up behind it. So we're gonna catch both of those in the snow, which, we couldn't come down here until today because the roads, even right now, look at the roads right there. They're still super slick, but it looks like there's some snow out on the crossings. So I might want to move down to the crossings to get 95 hidden a little bit of snow, which will not make one of those cool, big cloud of snow videos you see, but it'll still make a little bit. And yeah, I don't know why the snow is so chunky right there. It's all flat here, and then it's real chunky. I don't know. But yeah, I'll play a clip of the train or when something cool is happening.
Correct, so either way they're coming back to us Friday. Yeah, what?
That one's going pretty fast for here.
I'm gonna go inside with your mom. I'll be right here, okay?
Okay.
coming. And then we can get up there for the next thing, okay?
Mm-hmm.
What are the green lights on?
Those are the status of the doors.
Oh, ready to open.
Green means they're closed, yellow means like they're about to open, and red means they're open. So that they can look out and see if the doors are shut.
Gotcha.
See how they're going yellow now? Oh, there's the other one. Wait, we gotta get up to the gates at least. See that? Oh wait, no! That's the freight
Oh, is it?
with the heritage in it.
Then we should back it up to the station. Okay, let me turn this off. We'll waste.
We probably would have only caught. We.
Here it comes. It's right past the library. All right, you got a good frame. You got a good frame.